Hi guys, today I'm going to be sharing with you how to decorate this hot fudge sundae cake. This is a rich chocolate cake filled with fudge, frosted with vanilla buttercream on the outside, and then garnished with a hot fudge strip, peanuts, buttercream rosettes, and maraschino cherries. Okay, let's get started. First, we're going to do a dollop of buttercream on the board for the cake to stick. And as we place the cake on the board, we want to double check and make sure that it's in the center of the cake board. Next, we're going to do a buttercream border. This is to prevent any leakage from the fudge. After we add the fudge, I like to smooth it out to make sure that it's evenly distributed. And then we're going to get the second chocolate cake layer and place it on top, making sure that it aligns well with the cake layer underneath. As we move along, we do want to make sure that the cake is still in the center of the cake board. We are now going to start the crumb coat. The crumb coat is just a thin layer of frosting spread on using an offset spatula. This is to ensure that there aren't any crumbs poking through at our final product. The crumb coat, we do want to put it in the fridge and let it chill for around 15 minutes. Once the cake is chilled and the crumb coat is set, you're ready to start decorating. Completely coat the outside with buttercream using this method shown. It may seem like a lot of buttercream, but don't worry, half of it gets scraped away. It is important to note that when scraping a cake, the bench scraper should be 90 degrees to the cake board to prevent the bottom or top of the cake from protruding out more than the other. To get a smooth exterior, keep scraping and reapplying buttercream in any needed spots. After you've smoothed the cake, you want to get an offset spatula and scrape the edges of the cake to create a sharp edge. And getting eye level with the cake just so you can make sure that it's staying even and you aren't creating a wonky edge. Once satisfied with the exterior, it is time to add the peanuts. Add the peanuts to the base of the cake about 1 to 2 inches thick. Once again, put the cake in the fridge to chill as we prepare the hot fudge. Just scoop some hot fudge into a small bag and microwave it for 30-second increments. Around the border, do little droplets of fudge, keeping them connected with a continuous movement. These droplets will gradually drop and fall into a drip. I recommend turning the cake table as you do this simultaneously so you can create an even drip. Next, do some rosettes using a star tip and place them around the border following the fudge. After that, add a fudge drizzle using the same fudge you used for the drip. Sprinkle some peanuts and add a maraschino cherry on each rosette. You have now decorated a hot fudge sundae cake.